Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
Oh, I saw you throwing the trash a second ago and did not care about the impact right there.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's totally fine. It's because I'm from locally breakfast organization and our goal is here to keep our environment clean and sustainable to actually prevent human-made disasters like flooding. And for you to be held accountable with your action, I would like to invite you for tomorrow's cleanup drive at Bonifacio Street at 5 a.m. in the morning. Are you free?
I appreciate you for remembering here, and I would actually love to join the cleanup drive tomorrow morning. I would like to take it as a consequence of my action earlier, and at least help a portion of work the event.
That's really nice to hear. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Everyone, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining our cleanup drive here in Bonifacio Street. Thank you so much, and I just want to know, does anyone have any past experiences about this type of action before? Oh yes, you, miss, what's your name?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Janalyn Abib from Bohol, and I've participated in multiple activities like raising awareness about menstrual disaster, where me and my classmates conducted an activity in our NSC days before, and we also participated in cleanup drive activities like cleaning the shore and dumping trees.
Oh, it's really great. At least we know that actions are really taken in different fields, in education, or even in different types of organizations and works. At least we know that there is really an action to help our Earth come up with this crazy climate change. And yes, by the way, thank you so much to Mr. Alvin Saway for allowing us to do this action together with this helpful time. I just want to know, Mr. Alvin, do you have any plans or experiences with this, any organization about your tribe being collaborating with any work?
Yes, actually, our tribe have been collaborating with different organizations in order for us to help clean the environment, especially in our community. And sometimes also we extend our help to other guys in order for us to help clean also their environment with the help of our tribe.
Oh, that's really great to know about that this tribe is really willing to change something and be part of a solution in the tribe. Yes. Yeah, anyway, can we start and save our earth now? Good feeling?
Yes, sure.
Go! Good.
Hi, I'm Heidi. Are you new to this kind of thing? Not really. I've been participating in such activities since then. Actually, we both in our NSPC days, we've been conducting an activity where we raise awareness to the young ones about the natural disaster. Actually, we've done this last year.
Oh, that's nice to hear. For me, having participated in any activities that might benefit an effort, as long as I'm free, I will join.
Oh, that's nice.
Sorry for interrupting your conversation, but our tribe is something participating in this kind of activity and action. We are often doing things. By the way, I am Vincent, the son of the Dutch.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hello? Orly, that's a pretty sana. I'll tell everyone about it. I'm so happy for you, anak, and your team. Take care, anak. Bye-bye. Everyone! Good news! My second son, Glendon, has placed gold into the national system of Dr. Nauman.
Oh, there he is! The job is here! Oh, Congratulations, us. We're very proud.
Thank you for being so much kind to our community and our country.
Thank you, Madam Pop. It was very challenging, but all of your support, things were made possible. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. Pagmanaman, Pilipinas ko mahal. Pagmanaman, Pilipinas ko mahal. Pagmanaman, Pilipinas ko mahal. Papanalo na naman ang Pilipinas ko mahal.